Hey, I just got back from Costco and I just picked up this GE63 Raider RGB 8RE laptop. I heard it's about the best laptop you can get for starting out YouTube, and that's exactly what I'm beginning to do here, so let's go ahead and unbox it tonight. Oh, would you look at that, another box. Well, that's impressive. Jeez. Well, let's get into it deeper. Looks like we got some cardboard here. Stop. We are here to help. Alright, we don't need that. At least not yet, anyways. Well, looks like first thing we just get the laptop out of here. It's nice, frustration free. Comes in this nice little static fabric bag. And then another plastic bag. Power brick, and that is a large power brick. Not average though. And then your power cord. Oh, there it is. That thing is sure smaller than I expected. Such a big box. At first look, I couldn't ask for a nicer presentation. I don't know what this stuff is. Felt. Let's turn it on, I guess. There's the power button. Here it is. See? No, there's no life in it. So we'll have to get to that later. Nice little Velcro guy here to keep your cord from being tangled, if you remember to use it. So your charge port's here on the side, on the right side of it. It's a pretty big plug here. Probably keep it from breaking. Let's see if it'll turn on now. It's the first startup. See how fast it goes. Alright, pick your language. That's selected a few times.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Voice mode.
Let's go ahead and turn that off. That was sure interesting. Surprised me, because I haven't opened a computer in a few years. This is my first computer with Windows 10, so bear with me. It's also my first unboxing video and, well, the first video on YouTube that involves me. So yes, I'm in the US. Keyboard layout. No, let's skip that. I can get connected here to the internet. Ooh, that's a really nice keyboard. Verifying and connecting here. So far I can hardly hear it at all. It's a slight vibration if you feel it. Well, sometimes my Wi-Fi has problems, so for now we're just going to go ahead and skip this. Accept. Should probably read that, but I'll read it later. And go ahead and set this user account up. Privacy settings. All done. Just need a few more things to get finished up. We're almost into Windows. See how it looks. Oh, looks like we're saving trees here. Well, while that's thinking, seems to have two USB ports on this side and the SD card reader. Oh, look, here we are. We're in. That looks like every other Windows 10 machine that I've seen pictures of. Well, I guess there we are. We'll get to, I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with this thing and get used to it, but ooh, look at that. It's going rainbow. Alright guys, well thanks for watching my unboxing video of my MSI GE63 Raider RGB 8RE laptop. See you guys next time.